love his stuff so much. Like the idea of like traditional Americana, like, and that he's like, he looks at things in such a way, like, this is clearly unfinished, but I wonder if that's how, when he did this and how close it was done to, no, it's finished. Because he signed it. But I wonder how close this was before he died, because he started to lose, like, to me the most detailed thing is this guy on horse. Like this area here is where the focal point is. And I like how you have this interaction here between this guy and these two girls. And like how people would come, like he shows like, this was entertainment for this area of the United States where people would just come and watch things get built. Because this was entertaining because we didn't have TV.